Welcome back, humans. Today, the dog has a big idea.
We're building a backyard obstacle course.
I got the wood.
Impressive, but you just flattened the thime patch.
Precision is not his thing.
Bless me. What's next, boss?
Step 4 says dig here, not everywhere. Digging's my specialty.
Is that tire part of your vision or just a chew toy?
Obstacle or giant donut.
This is going perfectly.
Help, my ears are tickling.
That was definitely unplanned. Nailed it.
Could have been chaos, but it's got character. Best.
Teamwork. Ever.
See you next time. Bring treats.